I've seen all kinds of therapists, the ones that can give you pharmaceuticals, the ones who can't, the ones who are in between. I've seen them all. I've talked to them all, and they're all, doing their best, and they're very expensive, or at least they were when I was looking. I don't know what it is now, but sometimes I would pay, hundreds of dollars to talk to a person, and there was nothing helpful about that dynamic, except at the end of the last session I was going to take with them, they gave me the title of the book. And I bought the book, and the book changed my life. Like, that book was what I needed to read. And that's what the book cost, right? It just cost.
It was worth this
It was
hundreds
worth
of dollars.
that's what the book title cost. And so you have to follow and make it work for you, just say, oh, well, okay, what is of value here that I can extract from this? Because that's on me to achieve. It's not going to be given to me. And that brings up a point that I would really love to clarify. I think of what I do as a resource, not a service. A service is somebody who bakes me bread. I give them money, and then I walk away with bread. Or they change the oil in my car, or they, iron my clothes. Those are services. I give you money, you do something for me. A resource is a place that you go to do something for yourself, like a library. Like, you're not going to go up to a librarian and ask them to read a book for you. You're going to go ask the librarian to go get a book you'll read for yourself. And so a healing workshop like the ones that I offer, they are libraries where you bring a topic you want to look at, and I open the book for you and you read what you read out of it. That's a resource. No medical doctor, no healer, no shaman, no helper is going to do anything for you. They're going to help you do for yourself what you are seeking. And so I have a lantern, and we're going to go into a cave. I don't know what we're going to see, and I don't know how you're going to feel about it, but that's what I see. I'm just going to hold the light up and be like, do you see what I'm seeing right here? And then we'll have a conversation about it. But I'm not going to determine what we see. Nothing undoes the work that you do. It just takes what it takes, So don't ever stop trying to problem solve. Just keep giving something a try, because even if it gives you just like one tiny little thing, and that's been my experience, everything I gave a try gave me something, one little stepping stone forward.